In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI Discover page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open an account, find the Discover section, and personalize it so it shows you the topics you actually care about. First, open a Perplexity account. Head to the Perplexity website or app and create a new account if you don't already have one. The sign-up flow is straightforward. Follow the prompts, confirm any required details, and make sure you complete any verification so your account is fully active. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface where you can start exploring. Next, click Discover. You'll find the Discover page in the main navigation. On desktop, it's typically on the left sidebar, and on mobile, you'll see it along the bottom. Tap or click Discover to open a curated feed. Think of this like a For You page, similar to what you see on TikTok, but designed for research, learning, and exploration. It updates continuously and becomes more helpful as you tailor it to your interests. At the top of the Discover page, you'll see key sections: For You, Top, and Topics. Start with For You to see a personalized stream based on your selected interests. This is where Perplexity highlights content, ideas, and threads it thinks you'll find useful. If you're just getting started, this feed may be broad, and that's normal. It will improve as you customize your preferences. Switch over to Top to browse what's trending more broadly. This view is great when you want a snapshot of what's popular right now across categories. Use it to spot big themes or timely conversations, then jump back into your personalized areas once you've seen what's buzzing. To truly tailor Discover, open the Topics section. Here, you can select the subjects you prefer, everything from technology and science to business, health, and more. Choose a few that genuinely match what you want to see. You don't have to overthink it. Pick a small set to begin, and you can always adjust later. As you add or refine topics, your For You tab will reflect those choices, surfacing results and suggestions that align with your interests. If something stops being relevant, simply return to Topics and update your selections. That's the core workflow. Open your Perplexity account, click Discover, and personalize your experience using For You, Top, and especially Topics. Give it a little time after you set your preferences. The feed will become more accurate as it learns what you like. Now you're ready to explore smarter, faster, and with content that fits you.